Yo, what's up, guys? So, have you ever seen streamers like Kaisenet or the FaZe Boys have a Subgoal overlay on OBS that can be updated via chat command? And we're curious, like, how do I do that? Well, today I'm going to teach you. So, first off, what you want to do is you want to come over to Stream Elements. All right. On the left, you're going to go to Chatbot, Counters, right? We're going to click Add Counter. Create a new counter named Subgoal, right? With the counter value 0. I already have this created, as you can see, so I'm not going to create this, but you're going to press submit, okay? Now, once you've made your Subgoal counter, and don't worry about this value, yours will be 0. It'll say Subgoal 0. After that, you're going to want to come over into overlays under streaming tools. Okay, so once you're under the overlays tab, we're going to click new overlay, start, and we're going to rename this overlay Subgoal. Now we're going to click the blue add widget button, come down to labels, subscribers, total in all time, and then total subscribers. And you're going to end up with a text that says total subscribers and then your subscriber count. What you're going to want to do now is you're going to come up to the settings where it says message, and you're just going to delete the text that says total subscribers. Right? So in the message box, you are just left with count with the brackets. So your Subgoal should look like this, just a plain number. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to come down to the little blue plus. We're going to go to labels, other, bot counters, and we're going to add the bot counter from earlier that we made. Drag that down a little bit. Now, it'll say current wins 20 or whatever the default is. It might say something different for you. But what you're going to do, just like before, we're going to back out the text that says current wins. So you're just left with wins or whatever it says. And then we're going to replace the text that says wins with the counter we made earlier called Subgoal. So you should end up with something that looks like this. And right before the bracket, you're going to put a slash. Right? So that's how you get the little slash here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take our counter and we're going to drag it right next to our Subgoal so they line up perfectly. And if you're someone like me who likes things to be completely perfect, you're going to come and you want to line these up perfectly. You're going to come over to static custom text, and you're going to, whatever your Subgoal says, you're going to write it down in text. So mine says 70/90. So I'm going to write that down. I'm going to bring this over here, and then I'm going to line these up perfectly. Does that make sense? And then you can just remove the text. Okay, after making the Subgoal overlay, we're going to come back over to the Chatbot tab, click Chat Commands, and then up here click Custom Commands, and then Add New Command. We're going to name this new command Subgoal. We're going to make the user level moderator, and then you're going to paste this exact response. If you want to pause and look at the response and copy it, you can. But I will also have this in the description below. So just scroll down to the description below and copy it. After that, you're going to activate the command. Make sure you also saved your overlay, okay? So save. Now, let me pop out my chat. Now when we come into my chat and we do exclamation mark Subgoal, whatever number you want, let's say 90, boom, it'll automatically change that overlay count to 90. Okay, now what you can do if you have potat botat is you can do hashtag Subgoal, enable, and then press enter. Mine's already enabled, so I don't need to do that. And then you could do Subgoal, set increment, and then whatever you want. So this will automatically update your sub count for you. You don't even have to do it. Let's say I want the increment to be 10. Every time this goes up by 10, let's say you hit 90 subs, this will go up to 100. Let's say you hit 100 subs, this will go up to 110. Does that make sense? And yeah, that's basically how you set up this counter sub overlay that all the streamers have. It's kind of complicated at first, but hopefully this video helps you guys out. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.